Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Google Analytics UTM for affiliate links, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Google Analytics UTM for affiliate links, begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin panel located in the bottom left corner. Select the property that you want to work with from the property column. Next, click on Tracking Info to access the tracking settings. Choose Campaigns to access the campaign settings for your links. To create a new UTM parameter, open a new browser tab and search for the Google Campaign URL Builder. Once the URL Builder page loads, enter your website URL in the first field. Fill in the campaign source with the name of the affiliate program. In the campaign medium field, specify that you are using an affiliate link. Next, provide the campaign name to identify this specific campaign. You can also add optional fields like campaign term and campaign content if needed. After filling in the required fields, the URL Builder will generate a new UTM encoded link. Copy this newly generated URL. Return to your affiliate platform and replace any old links with the new UTM URL you just created. Ensure that you save all changes made on the affiliate platform. To track your UTM links, navigate back to your Google Analytics account. In the left sidebar, click on Acquisition, then select Campaigns. Here, you will be able to view data on how you regularly monitor this data to optimize your affiliate marketing strategy. Consider using a spreadsheet to manage all your UTM links for easier tracking and updating in the future. Updating UTM links consistently will help you harness valuable insights from your campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.